Hello everyone, hi, this is Dr. Meenakshi Chauhan and I welcome you to the Planet Ayurveda series of home remedies. So today I am going to let you know something very important and useful because these days we all go through this problem like once or twice in a month. There are phases when we are not able to sleep, and it is growing with every passing year, because when in middle age we happen to have like long night parties and we are busy with our kids, making them study, or we are too engrossed watching TV at times, going for a late night movies, and all this habit of going off to sleep late night, it becomes a regular habit, and we happen to notice after a few years going through such kind of lifestyle that we are not able to sleep. And it becomes very discomforting, because even if we try to sleep, we are not able to go off to sleep, and we are awake in the midnight and just taking sides and trying to sleep, but still it is very difficult. And we have patients coming up with the problem of insomnia, and they are going for very heavy medication, just sedatives, just to sleep, and so that they are up in the morning and able to go for their work, because all through the night they are just changing sides and they are not sleeping, and it is very discomforting for them. So what we can do is we can try some home remedies starting from our kitchen. We have on our table today this very beautiful home remedy. The very first remedy for insomnia is we can try massaging our scalp with arund oil, that is castor oil. What you can do is you can take a little lukewarm castor oil and you can put it on your head, like give a gentle massage, and you can put it on your eyelids, just one drop on your eyelids, and then you just go off and lie down on your bed, and you will notice that in 10-15 minutes you are just sleeping. So please do try this remedy. This is a very effective and safe remedy, and you don't need to take any kind of sedative or sleeping pill to sleep. So try this remedy. Remedy 2 for insomnia is we can try this very delicious remedy, and it is of mangoes. We all love mangoes, particularly my viewers in India. They love mangoes because mango is a typical fruit of India. So you can always try this remedy. What you can do is when you are going off to sleep, just take one mango and you can relish your mango, and along with that drink some lukewarm milk. And I'm sure this is a very helpful remedy if you try, and within like 15-20 minutes you will feel a strange kind of heaviness, and you will feel like sleeping, and you will just go off to sleep. So do try this remedy for insomnia. Remedy 3 for insomnia is again a very simple remedy, and you can easily try this in your kitchen. What you can do is you can take lukewarm milk like I have on the table, and you can put just 2-3 drops of, this is almond oil, badam ka tel, and in India it is badam rogan. You can take like 2-3 drops of almond oil, and you can put it in your milk, and you can drink this lukewarm milk before you go off to sleep. So this is a very effective remedy for insomnia, and it is very calming for the brain, and you feel very light and you are able to sleep. You don't need to take any sleeping pill. So do try this remedy. Insomnia remedy 4, we can try dates. What we can do is we can take 2-3 dates like I have in this bowl, and you can just boil dates in milk, and either you can just chew the dates with milk, or it is better if you boil the dates in milk, and you do this before you going off to sleep, and I'm sure this will be a very helpful remedy. Insomnia remedy 5, what we can do is we can enjoy a little foot massage, because when we are not able to sleep, the nerve supply from the foot to brain, it is connected. If you give some pressure points on the foot, you will definitely see a good change and you feel more relaxed. It is not if you are pressing the head and you are able to fall off sleep. If you try giving some pressure on the foot, on the sole of the foot, and particularly if you massage the feet with mustard oil, or see, I have on my table here, I have mustard oil, or you can use cow ghee. This is more effective, and just give a light massage on the foot, on the fingers of the foot, and it is very effective to fall asleep, and it is a very safe and effective home remedy for insomnia. And what else we can do is, other than these home remedies, what we can try is some vastu things, that is feng shui, that we can try at home. We can have prefer sleeping on square or rectangular beds rather than going for circular or other kind of shapes for your bed. Don't go for too much of luxury. Keep things very soft, keep things very sober, and don't go for like very soft mushy beds if you are not, because then you can get spine pain and you can have too much of backache. So prefer a little hard bed and fall asleep straight, and try sleeping in east direction, because east is considered a very healthy direction, particularly for the brain function and for peaceful and calming thoughts. If you are sleeping in any other direction, you will definitely notice that you get strange kind of dreams and nightmares. So according to Ayurveda, the ancient saints, they always prefer that when you are falling off to sleep, prefer sleeping in the east direction rather than in north or south or any other direction. And even keep your beds and pillows very soft and with mild colors. Prefer whites and light pink shades. Don't go for too much of dark colors, and don't clutter your bed with too much of stuff. Don't put TV and other closets and too many things in your bedroom. Keep your bedroom very clean, so that if you want to sleep peacefully and have good and healthy thoughts, then prefer very neat and clean surroundings when you are going off to sleep. Please try this. Other than the home remedies, please try the Planet Ayurveda range for insomnia. These are very safe supplements and very effective. You can always go for Medhya Churn. This is a very good combination of herbs for the brain. It is a brain tonic, and it gives good relaxation to the brain. So Medhya Churn, 1 spoon with milk, and you go off to sleep. And you can always try ashwagandha and stress support capsules. The whole combination is very effective. If you are not able to sleep and you have tried so many things, do try the Planet Ayurveda range, and I'm sure you will be comfortable with the results. So stay tuned to Planet Ayurveda. Thank you.